Hey, yo, Chris, you looking forward to that battle or what?
Rami says he likes to do a 1-year emergency fund. There is no way I'm doing a 1-year emergency fund.
What are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? I don't know.
I have 5 credit cards with probably all combined $50,000 worth of credit.
Bro, I don't really care how much money you have in your bank account at this point. Like, what are we talking about? I'm talking about the battle here that's coming up next. What are we talking about here? Are you excited or what?
And I know that my money, I have a lot of expenses.
I mean, I think at this point, we all have a lot of expenses, Chris, but that's not what we're talking about here. What we're talking about is the battle on February 21st, okay? Are you ready for that?
There's no way I'm putting that type of money into the bank and inflation's just gonna eat away at it.
Inflation? What type of word is that? Inflation? What?
I'm going to put it in a liquid asset that gives me a return.
Bro, liquid assets? Come on, bro. I was just trying to tell you about this clipper right here. You know what I'm saying? Are you ready for the battle or not? I got Memo in the back.
Wait. Look at Memo. He over there like, hey. Listen, don't add me into nothing that you doing, Jeezy. I'm just a barber in the background. I'm staying out of it.
I got Memo in the back. Finna get these clippers right and ready for me for the battle. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm asking right now. Are you ready?
I have to leverage. I gotta leverage if I want to build wealth in this lifetime.
You know what, Chris? You know what I'm leveraging? All right, I'm trying to leverage this video and tell everybody about the battle that's happening and that's coming up on the 21st, okay? All that stuff you talking about, I get it, I understand. But at the end of the day, February 21st, okay? It's on.
And building a business based off of a great product and a great business and letting it speak for itself.
Listen, Chris, I'm gonna let the battle speak for itself, okay? I'm gonna let it speak for itself. I'm not gonna talk about it anymore, okay? There's no more need to be said. It's cool, but listen, everybody right now, follow Barber vs. TV. Link will be right here and in the description. February 21st. It's going down. Alright you guys, so before we start cutting hair, what I like to do is prep the hair first. So whether it's picking it out or laying the hair down or adding some duck clips, you need to do that before you actually start cutting. So right now, I'm picking the hair out. I'm not gonna pick the hair out all the way, but I am going to section the hair off, put in my duck clips, and lay the hair down. So my client wanted a high taper, so right now I'm working on clearing out the bulk using the clipper over comb technique. I got my comb at a 45-degree angle and I'm just clearing out the bulk with my Andis cordless masters. So now that I have everything pretty much cleared out, I'm gonna set in my bald line with the lever closed using my Oster's cordless fast feeds. Now I'm only gonna be using the tip of the blade. I'm not gonna use the full blade because I wanna put a rainbow-like shape to it. So with all your blends, you wanna make sure that you put a different twist or a style to it. Don't be just average and put it straight in, like straight. You can, but if you wanna be different, if you wanna have that uniqueness in your blend, you're definitely gonna have to, you know, come up with your own type of style. So now with my liners, I'm basically gonna bald out and make that bottom half as bald as possible. Now I'm not going all the way up to the line. I'm just leaving some room to where it can add an extra transition to my blend. So the next step you wanna take is opening your lever. I got my lever open and basically I'm going up about a 1/2 inch, but look at how I'm using my corners the entire time. I'm not gonna go up that full inch near the vertical bar. I wanna keep that area as dark as possible. So I'm still gonna give that rainbow-like shape and make sure I keep it consistent all the way through. Now putting on my one guard with the lever open, I'm going up about that same 1/2 inch, making sure I keep that same consistency all the way around. Plus, I'm using my corners as much as possible. Now with the 2 guard with the lever closed, I'm just gonna scoop out so that I can make that transition run smoothly into the top of the fro. Now putting back on the 1 guard with the lever open, I like cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2 in the flick out motion. Now putting on the 0 guard with the lever closed in a flick out motion, using only your corners, flick out that middle line. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, using only your corners, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line and flick to the line, and if necessary, open your lever as you go up. So the last step you should do is detail, okay? Right now, I'm using my corners in each and every area where I see bulk. I'm kind of just, using my corners as a thinning shear to kind of get in between those bulk areas and lighten those areas up. You can use your 0 guard, your 1 guard in those areas where you use to put in the guidelines. You want to use those guards to basically do bulk. So next, I'm gonna take my duck clips out. I'm gonna pick out the fro again, and then I'm going to shape it with my afro shears. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
YouTube! This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Me and Chris Bassio's battle is coming up on February 21st. Make sure you guys go follow Barber vs. TV. It's your boy